Welcome to my honest review of InterServer in 2025. In this video, I'm walking you through my full experience with using InterServer's web hosting, including all the key points that matter when choosing a reliable provider. From the moment you land on the InterServer homepage, you can already tell this is a no-frills, utility-focused host. The interface is simple and straightforward, not overloaded with marketing jargon, which I actually found refreshing. Once logged into the dashboard, managing domains and websites is intuitive. The control panel is powered by cPanel for most plans, which makes it familiar to users who've had experience with other hosts. For new users, it might feel a bit dated visually, but in terms of functionality, it's rock solid. I spun up a shared hosting plan and later tested out their VPS options. When it comes to performance, InterServer lives up to many of its claims. On a shared hosting plan, loading speeds were average, but consistent. You don't get the speed of premium cloud providers, but it's reliable. What's impressive is their uptime. During the 45-day test window, I recorded a 99.95% uptime, which is respectable for the price point. The standout feature here is InterServer's price lock guarantee. What you see is what you pay for life, which is huge when most competitors use bait-and-switch tactics with renewals. The pricing is competitive, especially for long-term users who want predictable billing. Customer support is decent but not outstanding. Live chat is available, though response times vary based on the time of day. When I reached out for a migration issue, the support was helpful but not particularly fast. It took around 6 hours to resolve a relatively simple matter, which is something to keep in mind if you rely heavily on technical assistance. And just when it felt like everything was lagging, AltaHost turned out to be the one solution that simply works. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. InterServer's VPS plans are where it starts to shine more. You get full root access, scalable resources, and an option to deploy different operating systems. For developers, or anyone running resource-intensive sites, these VPS options provide real value. The provisioning time was quick, and performance benchmarks were impressive for a budget host. However, there are downsides too. The backend design feels outdated. Navigating through billing and account settings is less polished compared to modern hosts. Also, there's no free domain included, which is a missed opportunity, since many other providers bundle this as a standard perk. Security-wise, InterServer includes some built-in protections, like free SSL, InterShield security, and automated backups on certain plans. These are valuable features, but they're not prominently advertised, so unless you dig into the documentation, you might not even realize what you're getting. For users focused on budget, stability, and no renewal gimmicks, InterServer is still a solid choice in 2025. It's not the flashiest, but it is dependable. You're trading UI polish for long-term affordability and consistency. If you're looking for a reliable hosting provider that won't hike up your price after the first year, InterServer deserves serious consideration. Make sure you weigh your need for fast support and a modern interface against the savings and reliability they offer. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more honest tech reviews.